Hey y'all, I just released my first financial literacy ebook, How I Became Debt Free in 22 Months. This is an easy, educational, and encouraging guide. I want you to check it out. It's only $5. Look in the link in the description box below and click that button. Hey y'all, so I decided to make some country style ribs for dinner. I got these from Walmart and I felt like they were kind of expensive. Drop down in the comments and let me know. Do you think $11 is expensive? I don't typically buy ribs, but I gave it a little bit of seasoning, salt, onion powder, and garlic. I did get this recipe from iHeart Recipes. Shout out to Miss Rosie, love her channel. You already know my motto. Listen, if you can't see the seasoning on both sides, it ain't seasoned. So you already know I had to come back and do a second round. I didn't feel like really getting in there with the meat today, so I just used a spoon. I preset the oven for about 375. I actually did let this marinate, y'all. I took a nap, y'all. It was Sunday. I took that good old after church nap, let it marinate for about 2 hours. Then I put some more seasonings, paprika, red flakes, as well as some parsley. I got a little bit of brown sugar too. I like for my ribs to be, just a little sweet, nothing too much. I also use some apple cider vinegar. Y'all already know I ain't measuring nothing, okay? I'm letting the ancestors tell me what to do, and they definitely told me don't use too much of this ACV, girl. And I used a little bit of hickory liquid smoke as well. Oh, Jesus, maybe just a little bit too much, okay? That gives it that nice, grilled flavor because I'm putting these puppies in the oven. I gave it just a little stir before putting it in my pan. I do have a nice little long pan that I like to use, for your meats that need to be separated just a little more. After doing that, your girl did put a little aluminum foil on it, and I put it in the oven for about an hour and 20 minutes, y'all. So this recipe kind of does, it does take just a bit. So be patient with it and start early, okay? And I definitely started this early. Make sure to get all those juices on there, okay? Don't let none of them juices just sit in the pan. And look at it. Doesn't it look so nice? It definitely looks seasoned. It tasted seasoned. Once again, make sure to put your aluminum foil over it. Honestly, I don't know why I needed to put the aluminum foil over it, but I was, actually listening and following the recipe. I think it keeps, just the juices in and things of that nature. So once that was finally done, your girl plopped it in the oven. I did take it back out. I'm using the good stuff, Sweet Baby Ray's. Listen, now I grew up on KC barbecue sauce, so I ain't gonna act like I always been on Sweet Baby Ray's, but I do like this type of barbecue sauce. It is really good. I also like for my ribs to be smothered in sauce, okay? You need to be licking your fingers after, okay? So I was really trying to drown them suckers. You can see that heat already coming off of it. I did put it in the broiler for about 5 to 10 minutes maybe. Make sure that broiler is on low, okay? Because listen, that thing will tear up some food. I had to learn the hard way. So make sure that is on low. And here you are. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know. Would you try my oven baked ribs?
I would like to get